how to log out of your Facebook account. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you ways to log out of your Facebook account. So then to log out of your Facebook account, first thing first, you'll need to go ahead and check your internet connection. Also make sure to update your application. So in order to update, you need to head over to its respective app store, and then on the search box type in Facebook. Instead of open, if you see update, which indicates the app needs to be updated, and after done updating your application, click the open button. And once you're logged into your Facebook account, the interface will look something like this. Now in order to log out of your Facebook account, all you have to do is tap the tab bar icon from the right hand side corner and then scroll down right to the bottom. After that, go ahead and tap the logout button. If you're sure about logging out, tap the logout, and as soon as you do that, you've successfully logged out of your Facebook account. So in this way you can log out of your Facebook account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.